In today's video, I'm going to share with you guys how to set up Tradovate so you can trade it on the NinjaTrader platform with the prop firm Take Profit Trader. Now, before we jump into that video, I do want to remind you guys right now they're having a 50% sale off all their accounts. If you guys want a way to support the channel at no additional cost to yourself, right up here, you see use code Epitome. If you simply left click right there, you can see in the bottom right here corner of your screen, it copies it to your clipboard. Now, after you decide which account size you would like to trade with Take Profit Trader, you're gonna have a choice. Do you want the CQG data feed, which will give you NinjaTrader, TradingView, and Tradovate, or do you want a rhythmic data feed? Now, in this video, we're gonna be talking about the CQG data feed. Now, after you went ahead and purchased your account, you'll see right here, once you log in, it'll bring you to this page right here. Now, what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna click on this account right here. Now, once we click on this account, it's gonna bring us right here to some very important information. And where I wanna focus on is where it says Tradovate. We're gonna need the login, and we're also gonna need the password. Now, after you've already purchased your Take Profit Trader account, you need to go right over to tradovate.com. This is where we're gonna go ahead and sign the agreements and such. You might say, Mike, not Tradovate. I thought I'm going to trade on NinjaTrader. We are going to. We got to take care of this step first. Now, from here, we need to go ahead and select login. Once we log in, then where it says username, we need to come back over to the Take Profit Trader, and where it says login and password under Tradovate, we need to go ahead and copy those credentials. Then we need to paste in our username, paste in our password. I'm going to click login. Now, this is where it's going to ask us, right? Professional, non-professional. Most people are going to be non-professional. Then click next. Then I'm going to go ahead and click I have read, and I'll go ahead and sign this real quick. Go ahead and put my name in, the date, August 3rd, sign. Now, you can download your subscriber agreement. I'm just going to simply hit close. I have no need for that. Now, from here, let's just see. Is there anything else we have to click on? And I'm going to go ahead and scroll on down, and I got to accept cookies. I'm going to click accept right over here. Now it's going to say access simulation. Now, if I want to go and trade inside a Tradovate, I can click right here, access simulation. Instead though, since we're talking about NinjaTrader and how to connect it, now we're going to jump over to the NinjaTrader platform. So for this next step, we need to go right into the NinjaTrader control panel, and right under where it says connections, select connections. You can see I'm already connected to My Funded Futures, NinjaTrader, Take Profit, and Tradovate, but I'm going to show you guys how to set up the connection. We want to come right over here to where it says configure. From where it says configure, we want to go ahead and select where it just basically says NinjaTrader, not NinjaTrader Continuum, just where it says NinjaTrader. If you double click that, it'll bring it right down here to this list. And I name this, I'm going to just name this video test. That way I can delete it afterwards. Then where it says username, you want to put the username in where we see it right over here from our Take Profit Trader account. Then the password, we want to go back to the Take Profit Trader account, copy the password, put that password in right there. Then under account type, make sure it says simulation, click apply, click OK. Now we come up here to connections, and you can see where it says video test. Now you might be saying, Mike, when I go under connections, I do not see configuration. If that is your issue, then here's what you want to go ahead and do. Come right over here to where it says tools, go down to where it says options, click on that. Then under general, where it says multi-provider, make sure that is checked. Click apply, click OK. Then you may even have to shut down NinjaTrader and reboot it. But then when you come back to connections, you should see configure. Now, if that does not work for you, you will have to call NinjaTrader, but 9 times out of 10, that is going to go ahead and fix your problem. Then all we simply have to do is go right over here to connections, click on the connection that you made. Since this isn't a real connection, it won't connect. Then you'll simply be logged in, you'll see your accounts up, and you know what? You'll be ready to trade. Now, if you want to see which prop firm is best, Take Profit Trader, My Funded Futures, or Apex, make sure to watch this video right here.